Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to rotate table inside Microsoft Word. So when you insert a table inside Word, you don't have option to rotate it. The only way is you need insert a text box first, then delete everything there, and then insert a table inside the text box. Okay, so if you want, you can make it bigger, and if you don't want the text box border, you can go to Format and go to Shape Outline, No Outline. Okay, select No Outline. Then you won't see the outlines of the text box. Then you can rotate it like this. Okay, so that's how you rotate table inside Microsoft Word. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.